All right, out here on the South Fork of the American River. Got my boy Jesse. We got the little Nyce Nugget and the Spud, two little play boats. Gonna go have some fun. Whee! High five! Hello. All right. Alright, I'm sitting down here in the Spud now. Got the Nugget Nyce over there. They feel pretty similar in weight and feel. Nimbleness. That was awesome! You went right over that boulder.
Yeah, I felt it on my butt.
Hell yeah, dude! Oh shit, I'm going. It's almost better if you like find an object in the background and like fixate on that, like a fixed point, you know. Yeah, like a natural. What'd you think?
Excellent.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Flipped over a couple times.
yeah. Faced my fear of that, so
Yep.
I'll definitely do it again.
Hell yeah.